Welcome back, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'm gonna play some Battle Cats. Okay, goodbye. No idea what I'm doing. Can't upgrade anything here, unfortunately. Rare cats. Yeah, let's just upgrade let's upgrade Wushu Cat a bunch. Guess I really got any XP. Upgrade Rider Cat once. Upgrade Salon Cat, yeah. Let's get the heck out of here. Yeah, let's do Old Gosbo Town, why not? Let's attack. So we start off here with putting a Wildcat out. Can right after Dancing Flasher, sorry. Added our cat, Sacred Cat, another Wildcat. A bunch of other cats. They're all the same. Same with one of the armored cat, the insect units. The penguin's out. We destroy him though. So yeah. Level 2 cat base, and yeah, it's done in like one hit. Which is pretty insane, not gonna lie. Let's do that, yeah. So I put out by putting a bunch of wildcats and stuff. By bunch, I mean one. Dancing Flasher and 2 matadors. Got a Kawugataga cat, we have that cat, the insect unit cat, really fast, absolutely destroying all these enemies, like literally, like beaming. So yeah, they're going insane, honestly. Let's send a Majestic Zeus, but it doesn't do shit. Let's see, we're gonna go back. Escaping the home. Oh, dang, yeah, that was hard. So, yeah, we finished those little guys off. This one was probably one of the easier ones, not gonna lie, because there's only a little, like, red enemies and stuff. I'll put a part 2 later, after I finish this video, and re-video and stuff. I got the infinite speed up stuff, so that's pretty cool. I gotta spam everything, because I have way too much money. Let's go. 300 years probation. So yeah, Wildcat startup, level up, Dancing Flasher, and put a bunch of the first 5. We get Dragon Cat. Oh, and then we get a Crazed Bahamut. Then we get Kronos, the Infinite. We could get Majestic Zeus, but no. We could do it again, and then no, but then we do it one more time. And then we actually take it this time. We use that, get rid of the kangaroos and stuff. We basically destroyed the rhino. We're rich. I'm like 50% out now. Yeah, 25 dead. And boom, we destroyed it. Okay, we're gonna go. This is the one I couldn't beat on my phone. Just for some reason I couldn't beat it. But yeah, I'm gonna beat it one try. First try now. Yeah, so it's kinda boring. Not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna cut it out when I'm gonna stop speaking soon. And I'm just gonna finish the voice recording. And yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that probably and stop. After this one, yeah, I couldn't beat it for some reason. Just for no reason. After the next one, I'll do it actually, yeah. It was because it was way too hard, but I actually beat it really quickly here. I also got the black bear, but it didn't appear for some reason, which is kind of cool. Then there's trophy wives. I had to use my last leadership. It's kind of sad. I'm about to level up soon. So I spam wildcat. Just a bunch of cats, cheap ones. Just put out the dark doges. Kind of sad. I get Zeus. It's a bunch of dark doges, and then they put out like the Kung Fu Penguin thing. I knock out a normal one, and then knock out another one right after, and then we destroy the Kung Fu one, and then we destroy the normal ones. Then we get the bear. Like, why? Why? So yeah, that's kind of hard. Then we destroy it, and then we like one-shot it when Craze Bahamut throws it down. It's pretty strong. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and remember to watch another video of mine. Do it, please, and subscribe. It will help out a ton.